Welcome to the in front of me OPPO Find X2 Neo, and I'll show you how to hide apps on that device. So first, let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the privacy section. Then click here to hide apps section, and we'll see here all the available applications on our device. Just to hide one from the applications, we should click on the switcher near the app, and here we should set a privacy password first. So just let's click to the settings. We can use the 6 digits password, or we can use a different password type like the 4 digits pattern alphametric password. I'll use the password, so we should repeat twice our password. To use the security question here, former teacher's name, okay, HardReset. Click to OK in the right upper corner. Now we should set the access code. Click to the settings, and now we should use our code from 1 to 16 digits. For example, let's use from 1 to 4. Tap to OK in the right upper corner and click here to done. So that's it. Now we just successfully hide the calendar app, but if you want, you can hide just all of the applications on your device. After that, we can find the hidden here in hidden tab or in all. Just let's go to the home screen and now to the menu of our apps, and we can see these applications here. So just to unhide them, we should go back again to the privacy section to hide apps, enter our privacy password, and we'll see all of the hidden applications. And to unhide them, we just should click on the switchers once again, and let's go back now to the home screen to the apps menu, and we can see all of these applications here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.